With the new iPad Pro 2020, you can play Fortnite at an incredible 120 frames per second. And I'm sure PC players around the world are like, meh, hold my mouse. Meh, hold my video card. Meh, who cares? But this isn't a PC versus console battle. So what I want to do in this video is take Fortnite and load it on this iPad Pro 2020. This is the 11-inch. And we're going to see how it runs compared to some other versions that I have on hand. We're going to compare it against the Samsung Galaxy S10. Compare it against the Nintendo Switch Lite. And we're also going to pit it up against the Xbox One. So these are all vastly different systems. They can all do different maximum frame rates. I was just curious, how does 120 frames look compared to the other systems? So let's have a look. So there we go. You got to see it on an iPad Pro 2020. It also does 120 frames per second on the 2018 version. And then you got to see against my current smartphone, the Galaxy S10, Nintendo Switch Lite, and an Xbox One. Not the X edition, just the regular Slim edition. Now I leave the question to you. How much does frames per second matter in your gameplay personally? So for me, more frames per second is great. For me, the controller seems to be a little bit more important. For example, the Nimbus controller that I was using with the iPad Pro, I don't prefer that over the Xbox One controller. And I prefer Xbox One controllers over PlayStation 4 controllers, and I prefer any controller over touchscreen. So I don't think I'd play this game on touchscreen. If controllers weren't an option, I would never have touched this game. Anyways, so I leave that to you. What does it matter to you? 120 frames per second, 30 frames per second. Does it matter to you at all? If you're running Fortnite on PC, let me know what you get with your setup. That's gonna do it for this video. If you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe to my channel, click a like on the video, and go check out some other videos until the next one is up. All right, that's gonna do it. I'm Landon. This is Lano27 Tech. Thanks for checking out my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.